How do backend frameworks work? In this video, we teach how to render view pages by backend frameworks. This is a list of the most popular backend frameworks. The way backend frameworks work is similar. There is no significant difference in the way interpreted and compiled programming languages work in these frameworks. In this video, we explain how the CodeBehind framework works. In the following, we explain the reason for choosing this framework. This is a view page created under the CodeBehind framework with Razor syntax. We created a project and added this view file in the project. This view page contains a controller class and a model class. After the implementation of the project, the final result can be seen according to the video. The name of the page is myviewpage.aspx, which is stored in the directory path. This view page contains 4 sections. The derisive section is marked with a yellow dashed line. Code block is marked with green background. Static text is marked with a red background. Transition value is marked with blue background. The image on the right is a simplified example of the final class of views in the CodeBehind framework. The CodeBehind framework stores this class in a file with the extension TMP in the project. This class is more complicated than the class on the right side of the picture, much more complicated. According to the path of the view file, a method is created for the view. Each time the view path is requested, the view method is called. Then an instance of the controller class and model class corresponding to the view file is created. Each of these classes is also initialized. The method of initialization is out of the question, and we will not explain it. Whatever is written in blue code is completely repeated in the view method. Static texts are interspersed between 2 double quote characters. Then they are added to the response text. Transition values are also added to the response text. If we don't use backend frameworks for software development, we will have to write HTML pages between server codes. Backend frameworks do this automatically. That is, they render the view pages and add them among the server codes. In the project file, in the path of the CodeBehind directory, we see the view class.cs TMP file. We remove the TMP extension from the name of this file to enable the code highlighter to check the codes better. As you can see, the final view class is complex from the simplified video example. The use of backend frameworks have a small effect on reducing efficiency. In this chart, the performance of C# frameworks is listed. As you can see, the CodeBehind framework has a difference of about 9% with the minimal API mode in ASP.NET Core. Of course, if we want to create a complete project under minimal API, this difference will be even lower.